Let's look at 4 reasons why millionaires act broke. Number 4, you become more resourceful when you act broke. If you've ever wondered why millionaires always seem to act like they're broke, it's because they become more resourceful. When you aren't used to spending a lot of money to get what you want, you force yourself to think outside of the box and search for other ways to get things done besides just spending money. You start to rely on building up a network, learning by reading books and listening to podcasts, and getting creative with side hustles. Number 3, you stay humble when you act broke. Anyone who has ever come into a large sum of money knows that it can change the way people treat you. Suddenly, everyone is your friend and everyone wants a piece of your pie. It can be difficult to stay grounded and humble when everyone is fawning over you and treating you like a celebrity. However, it is important to stay humble for several reasons. First, it keeps you from becoming arrogant and thinking that you are better than everyone else. Second, it helps you to relate to other people and to understand their struggles. Third, it allows you to be more open-minded and see the world from different perspectives. Finally, staying humble ensures that you will always remain teachable and willing to learn new things. In a world where money so often equals power, it is important to remember that true strength comes from within. Number 2, your priorities change and you start to focus on the things that really matter. Millionaires often act like they are broke for a very simple reason. It allows them to focus on the things that really matter. When you have more money than you know what to do with, it is all too easy to get caught up in the trappings of wealth and forget what is truly important. By pretending to be broke, millionaires are able to keep their priorities in check and focus on the things that matter most to them. Whether it is family, friends, or philanthropy, acting like you are broke helps to ensure that your attention is properly focused on the people and causes that you care about most. And in the end, isn't that what really matters? Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, acting broke allows you to save money. One common trait among millionaires is that they often act like they're broke. They drive economy cars, live in modest homes, and wear simple clothes. However, there is a method to their madness. By appearing to be broke, they are able to save a great deal of money, and as any financial expert will tell you, saving money is one of the most important things you can do. Saving money gives you a cushion in case of emergencies, and it allows you to take advantage of opportunities when they arise. For example, if you have saved up a nest egg, you can take advantage of a recession by buying up property at bargain prices. Or if you have saved enough money, you can retire early and enjoy your golden years. In short, saving money is essential for anyone who wants to achieve financial success, and that's why millionaires are always looking for ways to save a few bucks. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.